y'all, so I'm back with another video. I know it's been a minute. Life has been lifing. I'm gonna get into that on another video, but today I am going to be cleaning my office. And y'all, it shows. Like, life been crazy for the past 2 months, 3 months actually, but I'm finally feeling better emotionally, physically, spiritually, all that. So I'm ready to get back into making videos and living life. Well, I've been living life. Thank the Lord. But yeah, y'all, it's been crazy. This office looks crazy. I'm not blaming my kids. This is my fault, but I did let them come in here and play, and they just made it worse. So I really got to get into it because I can't live like this, y'all. But not for real, though. The rest of my apartment is good. It's just this room. You will see boxes in here because I was getting ready to pack up and move, and I still am, just not right now. But yeah, let's get into it. Like, I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all gonna be like, girl, what the world? Like, look, y'all. My little it's just a hot mess. Like, why? Why? My wig on the floor. Wig box. My closet jacked up. Look. I don't know. That pillow is trash. I think one of the kids bought that in here. Stuff I was supposed to take out and review. Oh, yeah, I was working on my planner, y'all. I couldn't get the layout the way I wanted it to. Y'all, it's been crazy. But yeah, y'all see. Let's get into it, though. Y'all pardon me because I don't got no makeup on. I don't mean to scare y'all like that. Y'all still ain't got no eyebrows. But I'm going to go get all my cleaning supplies, and I'm going to go get my Alexa because I got to have music in order to clean. Okay, y'all. So I know I said I was going to go grab the cleaning stuff, but I'm going to go to Chipotle first, and I need to go get a battery so they don't make noise. Yes, I want to put some eyebrows on off camera because I'm not about to go on in public. That's crazy because I'm going to upload that video with no eyebrows. But I'm not finna go to Chipotle with no eyebrows. So I went and did my eyebrows and just took that ponytail down. I'm going to be just looking rough today because there's no point to get all dressed up. And I'm about to come back and be cleaning this office. Y'all know this gonna be I hope it's not an all-day process. This shouldn't take long. It looks worse than what it really is, y'all, for real. I don't think it should take me too long, but we gonna see. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead to Chipotle, get some food. I think I gotta get a battery. Oh, okay. And then I'm gonna come back and finish this office. All right, guys, so I'm back from Chipotle. I did not stop and get the battery because it's hot and that heat was turning me every way but loose, honey. When I say I'm hot, my wig started lifting. It was just bad, but the food was all right. They was acting like they didn't want to hardly give me no meat in my bowl. Like, bruh. But I didn't want to be extra, but we ended up getting Chipotle and some food for the little ones, and I am back. And y'all, I'm gonna be real with y'all. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. It is that time, and I don't feel like doing this, but I can't look at this no longer. So I think I'm gonna start with one side of the room, and then I'm gonna work my way to the other side. Like, I think I'm gonna go dust. See, I have to plan this out. I'm gonna dust this side, get the shelves together, and then I'm gonna come and do the other side. I still didn't get my Alexa, so I'm gonna go get the Alexa and we gonna get started. Hey guys, so I'm back. I don't know what's on my shirt, but so I know it looks like I changed my clothes, but I didn't. I just put a shirt over top of what I had on because it kept coming down and like my bra and stuff was showing. Don't nobody need to see that. So anyway, I'm getting ready to get started. I went and got Alexa. Can you play Let It See? So, and I got my Sentiva wipes and my spray and some gloves.
Hearing. Can you say that again?
Alexa, play music by Let It See.
Let It See from Apple Music.
All right, y'all, I'm gonna get started. So So, guys, there was really no method to my madness. I started dusting and then I went over and started picking up the stuff off the floor, moving stuff from one side to the other side. Then I came back and dusted some more. I was trying to put the wig things together while they were on the floor. After that, like, I just basically went around and dusted and moved all the stuff around. I did a shelf at a time. It may not look like I did all the shelves, but I did actually finish all the shelves. I just kind of got distracted and went from one situation to the next. Then I moved over here to this my little cart. I took the stuff off and dusted the cart too because it looked worse than the bookshelves. So I was like, let me go ahead and do that. Eventually I pulled this cart out and cleaned behind it, but not in this moment. I was getting stuff off my desk. After I did all of that, I went and took everything off the desk and I wiped the desk down too. I didn't do the inside of my drawers because I did that not too long ago, and it's really like, it needs to be reorganized, but it doesn't need to be decluttered. So I just left it how it was. So y'all, don't judge my life because this room was really a hot mess from the front to the back. Anyways, I was just taking a moment and being vulnerable with you guys. I have been sick for the past 3 months and been going through some things in my marriage, and this kind of took a back door, I guess you could say, or the back burner, whatever the old saying is. It took a back seat to the other things in my life. Plus, I was planning on packing up and moving anyway, so I kind of just neglected this room real bad. But at the end of the day, I'm back doing what I need to do, and I'm just showing you guys that not all the time is everything perfect, neat, pretty, and pink. Sometimes it gets ugly, and I have to deal with it, and this is what it looks like. So now I'm picking up the rest of the stuff, putting my hats on the little stands and putting them away. Yes, I be playing a little bit too much and dancing and stuff. That's why it be taking me so long to get stuff done. But y'all, I did get most of the stuff off the floor. I ended up putting those boxes in the closet because I'm gonna use them later, just not right now. Unfortunately, y'all can't see what I'm doing because my special sale did not readjust the camera in that moment, but I'm just putting the wigs in the boxes and back in bags in my wig drawer, and picking up the rest of the wig caps, the hat stands, and putting those together. Some I ended up breaking down because I put the wigs back inside of the box, so I didn't need them on a wig stand. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing. I ended up using that stool to dust the top of everything off. Now I'm working on this Hello Kitty bookshelf, y'all. I don't know, because I love all my stuffed animals, but I have a lot, maybe a little bit more than I need. I think I'm gonna just stop picking up the fluffy stuff until I move. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I know that I'm not gonna be a hoarder because I'm getting there. Not gonna lie, it took me forever to rearrange this little Hello Kitty shelf. I couldn't figure out how I wanted to place the stuffed animals on the shelf. It all ended up still looking a mess because it's just too much stuff. It looked cute, but it still looked kind of like messy. But I made it do what it do. Y'all, I am tired. My legs hurt. This reminded me of y'all, my legs just hurt. Anyway, I'm almost done with this side. I still need to dust like them bottom shelves, the top of those. And then I already did my computer desk, but like I gotta move the stuff I just put up there and vacuum over there behind there. Alexa, pause. Alexa, pause. Y'all, she don't listen. Jordan. I'm recording, dude. Yeah. So everybody is cleaning. Oh, I still, y'all, that's only half of the room once I get this side done. Like, oh, I put some stuff in the box because, y'all, I got to get rid of some of this stuff. Like, cleaning this room made me realize I got too much stuff. And I like to buy, and I am not about to be a hoarder. Yes, I'm tired, though. I'm not, I think I can get this done in the next hour. The rest of it done in the next hour. But I don't know, because when I look at this side of the room, y'all, it's just, yeah. So we shall see. I don't even think, because this video is already super duper long, I don't think I'm going to record. Y'all, I'm about to break every time, I promise. So I don't think I'm going to record all of it. I probably do a lot of it off camera and then come back and show y'all the finished results because I need to get this done. I still want to do my vision board. And I want to get into my planner so that I can plan the rest of my week and get back organized and into like I got a lot of stuff that gotta get done. So I need to get back on my stuff. So anyway, let me go ahead and get started. Alexa, play. So now I'm just picking up the rest of the stuff off the floor, putting the boxes in the closet that I told y'all I was going to do earlier, and working my way from this side of the room, like getting all the little stuff off the floor. I think my phone had died earlier, so I didn't get to record when I had cleaned up the other side of the room, but the other side ended up getting done too. But right now I'm just working on getting this stuff up off the floor, and then I'm going to sweep all the stuff to the middle of the room. I always do this, and I always sweep before I vacuum. Don't ask me why. I just think it makes it, I don't know, I just like to sweep before I vacuum. It's a mental thing, I guess. So guys, did I tell y'all I hate voiceover as well? I do. Here I am though, cleaning the back of the room. I ended up sweeping behind where the cart was. I'm getting ready to take the stuff out of the windowsill so I can clean the window out. I took everything out. I got the vacuum and vacuumed the window. I vacuumed the mini blinds and the curtains. Afterward, I steamed the window. I steamed the curtains too off camera, and I did the baseboards, and then I put everything back. Exhausted. It is 8 o'clock. It's still light outside. I'm about to wipe the walls off. I'm gonna put the little Swiffer pad and then just wipe the spots off the wall. And then I need to shampoo the carpet and then I'm done. Like, guys, I'm almost finished. It's a big difference. I'm gonna do a tour after I'm done. But anyway, that is all. A lot of the stuff I had to do off camera, and it just is what it is. But it got done, and I'm so happy because I can check it off of my to-do list and move on. So guys, I love using a Swiffer to do my walls. It just makes it easier to get into hard to reach places. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I was so exhausted. I was like half doing it, like just doing it real fast to hurry up and get it done. At this point, I had a spot on my wall, so I wanted to hurry up and get it off. Anyways, this is the final results. The room came out pretty nice. I did want to shampoo my carpet. I didn't get a chance to, but it still looked good in here. It smelled good too. The stuff underneath that desk is stuff from my recent haul that I need to show you guys. After that, I'm gonna put it away and it'll look better in the room. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my video. Here's the before and after. Bye. So guys, I did not shampoo the carpet. I did vacuum off camera, though. I finished the walls and the baseboards. I was exhausted after this, guys. I didn't bother to film an outro or anything. I did do a little tour of the room, not a full one, just a small one. This is the finished results, guys. Everything got dusted and wiped down. The stuff under the table is the stuff I need to show you guys from my recent haul, but that is it. Thank you for watching.